Good morning guys, in front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to force restart of this device. So if you want to perform a soft reset, all you have to do is tap on power button along with the volume down button. So just hold both of them together. Keep holding for 10 seconds. And once you feel the vibration or see the logo, you can release the button, both buttons actually, and wait till your phone is rebooted, then you will be able to use it smoothly again. Now provide your screen lock pattern, password or fingerprint, and now you can smoothly use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.